leli nani laphakathi ine sign angithi i sign yakho positive noma negative uzosplitter ukhiphe i-common but this one ushintsha lezi number zibe ama prime ngakhumbula ngithi kusho ukuthi nje ngo9 ungamenza ubandla 27 ngamenza ubandla ngabo 3 yes njalo but number very good ngabo 3 bandlo 3 cube angithi but the problem esinayo what do you do maku 10x plus 1 yes. How can we change to 10 now? Abe a prime number. You use your calculator there. How to 10 equal to shy dot now. But you the calculator. This one is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 by Lord. 10. Value 5 no 2 bang ama prime numbers. As if I let them Mango plus the splitters keep it common. Mange jalo singsenza njani shintsha kube ama prime number bese sisebenzisa ama laws uyakhumbula ama laws of exponential asho ukuthi mangabe kufana ama bases uno times what do you do take one base and add the one the exponent kodwa makufana ama bases uno divide what do we do take one and subtract one ama exponent uyakhumbula ngithi all right hamba nawe ke manje siqedile ngama set sekuyini landelayo ama expo then after that ila uza khona ini ke manje spontaneous about y minus x equal to 1 is about x squared plus xy equal to 2 esokuqala lesangithi okay esesibili y equal to log x base ngiyadala awuthi ngishintshe kancane uzothi prof uqondeni la aqale nge-exponent 3 exponent y plus 1 equal to 9 exponent x bese kuba x squared plus xy equal to 2. Yasibona sesipili manje angithi sinani ke lesi yabo khona exponent angithi elandelayo sesingayenza futhi ibe nani manje le log ake senze ene log uyakhumbula ilog ithuma kanjani kungaba ubani mhlawumbe ngiphe sodwa y equal to log bani base 2 uzokuhlupha ke lo bese bawubani la mhlawumbe x plus 1 man uyayibona lethi ithini le okay awuthi ngikumbuzele uyishintsha kanjani le kwenza nayi kangithi shuthi ngaba ubani la iphando angithi kuzobani la exponent y equal to selebani manje x plus 1 angithi kodwa ke phela vele uyayibona mina bekufundisa ukuthi usuka kanjani kuphi kuyilog uye kunormal angithi kodwa ngeke beyivume kibe kanje kodwa usuka kanje bese uza ke esibili kobani ke la x squared plus xy equal to 2 mana asibuye kulena very good ushintsha 9 angithi uzobani ke lapha y plus 1 squared kodwa kunobani lapha no x ajana ama bases ala uzobani ke la plus 1 equal to 2 bese wenza kodwa kwe subject of the but awasali awubuze umakhelwane ukuthi right equation yakho kufuneka ibe in a form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 ukuze kuzokhandeka i-discriminant i-discriminant yethu iwubani kami squared minus i-discriminant angithi mangikhumbuza ukuthi isuka from i-formula yethu ethi minus b plus or minus oza b squared minus 4ac all over 2a or not discriminant kusho ukuthi mangibhala kahle le formula izoba x equal to minus b plus or minus i-discriminant over 2a okusho ukuthi if i-value yalapho ungayithola iba negative kusho ukuthi kafushane sikhona isquare root sesenumber negative nakho ingakho sithi if i-discriminant yethu i-less than 0 kambe yini ke leyo manani jangithi lapho esikhuluma khona ngani ke lapho amazi ngani manje sahamba nami okay ufike kube u-non-real kube ubani u-real khona la i-discriminant yethu elingana khona no-0 kambe sikubiza ukuthi yini ke lapho leyo ama-equal yakhumbula kancane uma khosa i-discriminant na i-squared minus 4a but i-discriminant yethu ukuze sikwazi kuyisebenza kahle ledwa ibe ine-standard 4 kushuda kube u-ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 1 akube kanjalo siyezwana ngithi okay kambe iyiphenye once i-discriminant yalingana le-perfect square once yalingana le-perfect square kambe so kwi-zero root there that is what we call the rational root. Rational issue that way perfect square. How do you number 8 example number perfect square? Some root which I didn't know about it. Over my 4. Equal score skabani skafo subanga all the sevens kanjalo sekulungile x square sikhona score ska s square yes ushuthi nayo lena i-rational sizwana ngithi noma i-discriminant over x plus 1 whole square yenza sokuthi square yini lengana ne-perfect square number yini lo root there very good that is irrational. How many people are saying number irrational? 3. Do we have score is 3? Should discriminate in another banda. What does it mean number is that? It means I'm going to discriminate in another x plus 1. Una so this score is the number. No. That's why I said the root is irrational. Ha, you need to test 10 man legina. When the master is party. Leto ibe in standard 4 usokwazi ukusebenzisa ini ke iscribi hamba nami lolu divide lona ngithi lakho nansi tebaleke sizona ngithi uyabona le balo thola ukuthi zithi mhlambe 4 2010 minus 4 2012 over number 25 kanje serious yabo 4 2018 plus 4 okay mhlambe asithi ke la 2010 kambe wenza njani mawunikeze le bale kanje uthatha leli ngana ngithi ubani omncane la ushuthi uzokwenza yonke leyanto ibe nobani 2010 bese ukhipha u4 exponent 2010 up in